Hi, guys, and welcome to our series all about Wix forms. Today, we are going to learn how to add and set up a subscribe form. Follow along, and we'll show you how. So, on the Wix editor, go to the plus button and go to Contact and Forms. You can select a pre-made template from the subscribe section, or you can create a new one by clicking on Create New Form. When you create a new form or edit an existing one, you should be taken to this window. And this is the form editor, and this is where you can build your form. Go ahead and add the fields that you need. And you can also go ahead and add a header. You can edit the text of your header and input anything you want. To work on a specific field, click on it and click on Field Settings, and a panel on the right will open. Tweak the settings here according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done, you can preview it on the Preview tab. Here on the Preview tab, you can interact with it like your visitor would. On the Settings tab, make sure that you also properly rename your form so that you can easily identify it on your dashboard. Make sure to tweak other settings here as well, such as your confirmation message, payments if needed, spam filters, form status, where you can set an expiration date and limit submissions. And by the way, the submissions tab is also where you can view the submissions for this form. You can also see your form submissions on your dashboard. And once you're all good, click on Save and then close this window. If you ever need to edit the design of your form, just click on it and click on Settings. And here on the Design tab, you can go ahead and edit your form background, form fields, header and paragraph, as well as buttons according to your liking. And once you're done, go ahead and click on Save to save your changes. And if your site's previously been published, click on Publish again so that the changes you've made to your site will also reflect on your live site. And that's it. We hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit like and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.